has added yet another SUV to its lineup, and this one wears the Crown Signia nameplate. As a crossover sibling to the Crown sedan, it replaces the Venza as Toyota's two-row, mid-size offering. It features more luxurious interior finishings than other Toyota models, with nicer materials and an upscale design, and it promises both more space and more capability, including towing, than the Venza. Many premium features are available as options, and the Crown Signia is quiet and comfortable on the road, if not exactly engaging to drive. Despite its luxurious bent, the Crown Signia is priced competitively to compete with mainstream models such as the Honda Passport, the Hyundai Santa Fe, and the Nissan Murano. The Crown Signia features a sleek wagon-like profile with a front end that looks more like an electric car than one with an internal combustion engine behind the grille. To me, the Crown Signia's look works better than the Crown sedans. Slim running lights are fitted into a wide hammerhead design spanning the crossover's face, while a single semi-hidden headlight on each side flanks its large hexagon grille. The Crown Signia will be offered in both XLE and limited trim levels. Although it's several $1,000s more expensive to start, the limited is the one to get, as it adds leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, 21-inch wheels, heated rear seats, and an 11-speaker JBL stereo system. All Toyota Crown Signias are hybrids, powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder and two electric motors to produce a combined 240 horsepower, and all come with all-wheel drive. For now, anyway, Toyota isn't offering the 340 horsepower hybrid max powertrain, 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid that's found in the Crown sedan. The company also doesn't plan to introduce a PHEV version to the lineup. His combination is not exactly exciting, and the engine can drone under hard acceleration, but the Crown Signia is quick enough for highway passing maneuvers in the real world. In our test drive of the Crown Signia, we found it to prioritize quiet and comfortable cruising over engaging handling, which is appropriate for this segment. Toyota estimates it will deliver 38 miles per gallon combined, 39 miles per gallon city, and 37 mpg highway. In our 75 miles per hour real-world highway fuel economy test, it couldn't match those numbers and achieved only 32 miles per gallon. The XLE swivel wells are filled with 19-inch alloys, while the Limiteds are filled with 21-inch dark gray alloys. Unlike the Crown sedan, the Crown Signia is only offered in single-color paint schemes. The Crown Signia's interior is similar to the Crown sedans, with nice materials and a pleasant-looking dashboard design. The standard upholstery is a combination of cloth and vinyl in the XLE model, but the Limited upgrades to leather seats. The latter gives the Crown Sig's interior an upscale and sophisticated two-tone appearance, which I recommend. Toyota employs soft-touch surfaces in all the right places and thoughtfully places a volume knob where both the driver and passenger can easily reach it. A 12.3-inch touchscreen is standard across the board, as is a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The central touchscreen offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus many other connectivity features including Wi-Fi, over-the-air updates, and a voice assistant. The XLE trim comes with a 6-speaker stereo, but upgrading to the Limited swaps in an 11-speaker stereo tuned by JBL. Unlike some rivals, the Crown Signia's dash includes many tactile buttons and switches that are easy to use without taking your eyes off the road. Compared to the hypermodern exterior, the straightforward cabin layout could have been pulled over from a completely different car. At least things are no longer a sea of high-gloss black plastic. That said, the Crown Signia still offers a premium interior. The limited trim model we tested was full of soft-touch leathers and visually interesting plastics. Crown Signia limited models include a panoramic glass fixed-pane roof. A movable pane sunroof is not offered. Seat comfort is excellent. The driver and passenger enjoy standard power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated seats, and the steering wheel is heated. Rear passengers will be comfortable except for the missing dark-tinted glass and lack of side window shades. I rode in the Crown Sig's back seat for 30 minutes, baking in the sunlight streaming into the window despite the rear air conditioning vents. Both trim levels include heated rear seats, while the limited trim adds a panoramic sunroof for even more natural light. This version also has ambient cabin lighting after dark. Toyota deftly balances practical storage space with style, so the Crown Signia's interior avoids a utilitarian appearance without sacrificing the nooks and crannies most people want for smaller items and smartphones. The wagon-like Crown Signia is a capable cargo hauler that's easy to load and unload thanks to its low cargo floor and standard power lift gate. With the back seats up, you can carry 24.8 cubic feet of cargo in the panoramic roof-equipped Limited and 25.8 cubic feet in the XLE. Fold down the rear seats and flip over the extensions that keep your stuff from falling between the front and back seats, and the XLE can hold 68.8 cubic feet of cargo. The Limited's pano roof reduces its maximum cargo volume to 66.1 cubic feet. With the rear seats folded, the cargo area is 79.5 inches long. Both trims of the all-new Crown Signia come standard with Toyota's comprehensive Safety Sense 3.0 package of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. It hits all of the basics, including forward automatic emergency braking, automatic high-beam headlights, lane centering assist, and all-speed adaptive cruise control. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert also come standard. Available features include parking assist front and rear, with reverse automatic emergency braking, front cross-traffic alert, and traffic jam assist.